Okie dokie. I'm gonna do a little Zippo lighter trick because I'm bored as fuck. So, I just bought this little Zippo, matches my tattoo, pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a little trick. Okay. See inside how the wick standing straight up? You want to bend it to the back where the lid is. Like that. Okay? Begin. Now you spark it up, it lights like normal. Yeah, something like that, to that effect. Okay, hold on. Goes out. One more time. Oh, this is just not my day. One more time. Then I give up on you forever. There we go. We're back. Yeah, you tend to do stupid shit when you're bored as fuck in buttfuck Montana. This place fucking blows. I want to go home. I smoke cigs in my room because I don't care. I hate this place. I want to go home. I hate it with a bleeding passion.